I'm sure bafethu abanye beni bayibonile le video le, mhlawumbe abanye bena bayibonanga. Kule video le sibona uref ade phethe igame between iMudagasi and iGomora United. Kade dlala izolo le game le kuma semi-finals ePhillies Games, yabo, off season tournament le adibekiwe izolo. So lo ref lo ubona i-tackle eyenziwe, yabo, umdlalo weGomora United eyishaya komdlalo weMudagasi, yabo. Mebona le tackle le uref bembiza lapha, yabo, bembiza bethi uzoyibukisisa le tackle le. Bese ikhiphile vele yellow card, yabo. Bambiza athi hey uref uzobuya uzoyibheka kabusha le tackle, yabo. Uyapi na? Uya kwi VAR kune VAR Phillies Games, Phillies tournament abayaziyo. It's a tournament ehostwa annually, yabo, ijwayele ukuba khona njalo ngoDecember. Niyikhumbula nonke le tournament enyayazi nonke, yabo, ihlala ikhona, yabo. VAR, the last time we heard about VAR la South Africa, yabo, sasizwa kuthiwa iVAR izocosta 70,000 per match. 70,000 to install iVAR per match, yabo. Kodwa ekasi bayisebenzisile iVAR, yabo, ba rewind babona ukuthi kahle kahle le tackle yenziwe kanjani. Mind you, these guys, I don't think these guys went and did the training emele yenziwe, yabo, to be a VAR official, yabo. Kanti yible training le ekumele ihanjwe iyowenziwa le, yabo, kwamanye ama-country ukuze babuye la South Africa bayi-install i-VAR, because i-PSL la South Africa, i-PSL is one of the best leagues here in Africa, yabo. Actually i-PSL iyona league edlula wonke ama-league akhona la eSouth Africa, but asinayo i-VAR, and many countries la e-Africa actually anama-VAR, but thina asinayo i-VAR, yabo. Mekuthiwa mesibatshela abantu ukuthi sidinga i-VAR because there are many decisions esiwabonayo ukuthi Premiership angekho right, yabo. Basitshela bathi cha silinde, yabo, uhlanganiswe imali zingakhosta impela, yabo, sihlanganise. Maningi ama decisions enziwe oref bala eSouth Africa. Oref bala eSouth Africa bafethu bayasikhosta too much and abafuna ukusinikeza i-VAR, but i-tournament yasekasi bafethu ine-VAR. Thina kuphethwe Premiership asinayo i-VAR, siyayidinga ngempela i-VAR, yabo. So lo ref lo usishintshile ke isinqumo because bekhiphe yellow card, washintsha isinqumo wathi cha, that was a red card, a career ending tackle, yabo. Mina na umbuzo wami, if i-VAR dinga imali eningi la eSouth Africa, yini lezo idingela imali? Sengezwe amahemihemi kuthiwa kunenkampani ephethe ama-VAR ekumele kurentwe kuyona, yabo, ama-camera asetshenziswayo ukuslowa down nokudweba ama-lines, but why laba bayisebenzisa? Because I don't think ikhona i-training abayenzile, yabo. Mhlawumbe thina singayithathela ama-camera la eSouth Africa, siyithathela ama-camera sibheke like slow down, ukubona mase slow down kudlala kweBet Premiership, beslow down igame, beslow down ireplay njalo. Why uref bangabukela oma clips lawo, yabo, abe khona lapha near the touchlines, ebebona ukuthi kuno decisions abangayenzanga kahle, bayobuka khona, bayislow down i-footage. I'm sure la kwenziwe njalo, kwaslow down i-footage, babona ukuthi kahle kahle yini eyenzakalile, yabo. Ihlale yenzeka lento ku replay, why ingenziwa leyo nto leyo? Noma bafuna ukudla imali, because mina I feel like imali lezi eyifuna ukudliwa, hayi ngoba kulindwe intontoni, yabo. Kufuna ukudliwa imali nje la, iyona into enginukayo, hayi ngoba nje, yabo, badlala ngathi mfethu, badlala ngathi. Ngeke mfethu ukuthi i-PSL mfethu ihlulwa i-tournament yasekasi. I-PSL is a big institution, it's a big institution. You cannot tell me these guys can pull off i-VAR, but sina siyahluleka. Abafethu ngeke mfethu, ngeke. Izinto kumele ishintshe, indlela yokwenza nje kumele ishintshe. Le season le bekumele ngabe sinayo i-VAR. I-VAR ade yaqala uba khona, I think yaqala 2018 or 2017 lapho nje, yabo. Isinesikhathi i-VAR ikhona. Many countries like Africa senayo i-VAR. I don't think ama-fans amaningi la eSouth Africa angakuvumela lokho ukuthi kube khona ama-VAR kuma tournaments asekasi but angabi khona kuBetway, yabo. Basungangibhalela ama-comments uzizwa kanjani ngale mpahla le, yabo. Is it a good thing ukuthi kahle kahle sesiyaqala sa-integrate ku-VAR? Because yabona lento le, it's a good thing, you know, another side ukuthi abantu babe aware ukuthi i-VAR isebenza kanjani, yabo. I'm sure most abantu benga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani la, but ke kodwa phela ade yafika i-VAR. I'm sure abantu abaningi sebeyayazi, but ke into eyenzeke la ngiyayithanda, but mase ngiyibuka in a bigger picture, ngibheka i-PSL, yabo, like bafake i-PSL i-pressure, yabo. Umsebenzi abawenzile la muhle because bafake i-PSL i-pressure. i-PSL kumele i-act fast, kumele yenze inguquko because abantu laba bale tournament nje abenze lento le bayakhombisa ukuthi anything is possible if bona bengakwazi ukusebenzisa i-VAR kwi-tournament yasegazi bangakwazi nabo ukusebenzisa i-VAR ku-PSL ayikho into ezoshintsha yabo ayikho into ezoshintsha noma mhlawumbe basaba ama-fans uthi azongena egroundini ayoshisa izihlalo njalo lapha eMabhida le game Free State Stars neKaizer Chiefs yabo phela singesazi but ungangitshela ama-comments nawe uthi uzizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le-VAR. Should i-VAR be installed la eSouth Africa in the next season esiyakuyona noma nje kumele siqhubeke kanje ngaloshuni lo wokurojwa?